Learn egui in Neovim. Episode 5, Checkboxes and Radios. Build a theme preferences form with toggles and selections. Checkboxes toggle Boolean state on and off. Radio buttons select one option from a group. Enums define the available choices. PartialEq compares them. The form displays current settings live. Here is what we are building today. Cargo New creates our theme prefs project. Enter the project directory. Open Neovim. Space E opens Neotree. Navigate to cargo.toml. Enter opens it. G jumps to the bottom. Add eframe 0.31. Save with :W. :E opens main.rs. Clear and start fresh. Mod app declares a module. Use imports myapp. The main function sets up the window. Viewport builder sets window size. Run_native launches the app. Boxnew wraps our app for startup. Save main.rs. Same pattern as before. :E creates app.rs for our app logic. Import egui from eframe. Define a font size enum with 3 variants. PartialEq lets egui compare enum values. Pub_struct myapp holds booleans and an enum. Default sets initial values. Dark mode on, notifications off. Implap defines the update method. Heading and separator. Same as before. Three checkboxes. Each binds to a bool with &mut. Three radio buttons. Each maps to a font size variant. Display current settings. Match converts the enum to text. Close the brackets and save app.rs. Review from the top. Back to main.rs. Clean and short. Cargo build compiles the project. Our theme preferences form running. Click checkboxes to toggle settings on and off. Radio buttons switch between font sizes. Recap. 5 key takeaways. First, checkbox binds to a bool field. Second, radio value selects one enum variant. Third, partial EQ enables enum comparison. Fourth, match converts enums to display text. Fifth, current settings update live. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more EGUI tutorials. Next episode: combo boxes and sliders.